the day. Welcome to yet another session of Vedic Maths. Now today we'll be doing squares ending in 6. Previous session we had squares ending in 4. Now let's do with the 6. Let's follow the same technique. For 36 again we have to find out the 35 square. So 35 square is nothing. 3 4s are 12 and 25. And simply add the number 35 and the number 36. Hopefully you can get the answer by adding. Is that 6, 9, 2, 1. And this is your answer. Isn't it very simple? Let's do the same for this. First, let's find the square of 55. 55 square, the answer would be 5 6 are 30, 25. Add up 55, add up 56. Can you find the answer? The answer is 3136. Isn't that simple? If you follow at least, the answer always at the unit digits have a 6. The reason when we add 5 plus 6, you will always get that 11 plus the final number is 16. So can you find out this? Let's find the 70 square and add 75 plus 76. And you can get your answer. Thank you.